who were you when we first spoke a couple weeks ago? Who was the man that showed up on that call?
Yeah, no, I was a mess. Like, I remember that call still very, very vividly. And it was, I was just doubting, fearing, uncertain, scared, like a scarcity mindset, playing small. Like Tim said, playing not to lose, better to win.
Yeah. So we worked, we did some work, a little bit of work, and who the fuck is this man showing up right now? Who are you? Like, what's different? How you walking?
I'm confident. I'm just like, I'm me. I don't have to hide anymore. I'm showing up to sales calls with fucking 8 CEOs, sales managers, general managers, like, and I'm leading the fucking call.
Oh shit!
Who's
leading the call? Who is this man? Who the fuck is this man leading?
It's me, Matthew fucking Wilson.
Who are you? What's your contract again, Matthew?
I'm a fearless, believing, trusting man.
Fearless. You take fucking risks boldly every fucking day, right? And you're loving. You fucking love yourself first, and you love everything. Fuck yeah.